Hello guys, welcome you all. In this video we are going to see installation and setting up environment for the PHP. So let's start. And guys, so to before going for the installation of the PHP, let me tell you some important links for the PHP. So official website of the PHP is, what you will do, you will open the Google, and in Google you will type php.net and you will get the first result here, www.php.net. You will open this in new window. So here is the php.net. This is the official website of the PHP, and here you can find out the information of the PHP. PHP is the general purpose for scripting language, so that we will see it later. But first of all, let us see the latest release of the PHP. PHP 7.4.6, which is released on 14th May 2020, and you can see here down PHP 7.3.18, which is released on 14th May 2020, and you can see more details or more latest versions when they have released. All information you will find it over here. Okay, so here we just have the PHP, but for PHP we need a web server, so and MySQL as well. So here on this website, if you want, you can directly download the PHP from here, but here you will get PHP alone. So we are not going to download the PHP from over here. What we will do, we will get the bundle of PHP, MySQL and the server Apache from the apacheprints.org. So to get that bundle, what you will do, you will open the Google and you will type here XAMP download, and here you will find out the first result here in Google, www.apachefriends.org. So this is the website that we are going to open it, and this is here. So you will see this page. Now this is the download page for apachefriends.org. Now let us go back to the home page of this website, and you can find here what is XAMP, and you will find here XAMP is the most popular PHP development environment. And what is there? XAMP is a completely free and easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl, and the XAMP is open source package, has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and use. So now what we will do it, we will go to the download option, and now according to your OS, now for example if you are using Windows, so these are the different options for you. You can use any of them. Either you can go with the 7.4 and just click on the download, and 64-bit version of this, it will be downloaded. Now other users, for example those who are using Linux, they can choose either one of the option from them, and for the Mac users, they have the different options over here. They can use the latest version from over here. So all, like if you are Windows, if you are Linux, or if you are a Mac users, you can get the copy for you from here. You just click on the download window and your download will be started. So I have already downloaded it for you to save the time, and my download is here. Now let me show you one more thing. Now if you want uh, to see one more thing, now we are going to see here, we need an editor to for the programming. So we have number of options right now over here, but I'm going to use Sublime Text. So you will just go to the Google. If you don't have Sublime Text, you just go to the Google and you type the Sublime Text. You will find here the official website of the Sublime Text, www.sublimetext.com. You will just click on the Sublime Text, the first link, and it will be open here. Now you will just download from here for Windows, and you will get it here. So download it, and we are going to use it. So I have already downloaded here the Sublime Text for me, and now let us start the installation for the XAMPP. So right click on this, the downloaded setup, run as administrator, and just say yes. It will ask you one more thing about the UAC warning. Let us see about it. So you can see here our installation is already started, and as I told you, it is asking me your antivirus is there. So yes, no problem, continue with the installation. And now it is asking about the UAC, so just say okay and click on next button. Now you are welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. You will click on next. Now these all are the things there, like here is your server, here is the programming language, and here is the programming languages like databases what which we want, and everything is over here. So we will keep it everything there as it is. We are not going to uncheck anything, we need all of them, so click on next. Now in this screen it is going to ask us like please choose a folder where to install the XAMPP. We will keep it like I wanted to keep it on the C colon, so I will keep it on the C colon and the folder name will be the XAMPP. If you want to choose, you can go here and browse the folder where you want to install it. So click on next. Here I'm going to uncheck this. I don't want to learn here more about the these other features. Then click on next, and again it is going to start. The setup is started. Now guys, till it is going to set up, it will take 4 to 5 minutes. During that, let me show you something here. The setup is very simple. So let's come back to here our website php.net. So I have introduced you in the beginning of the video this php.net. What is there? Let us go and see. This is the very informative website, or you can say you will find out the documentation for PHP on this website. So if you go here and if you can see here, you will find everything like you will see here the latest PHP versions as well as. Now let us come here. Here is an important thing that I wanted to show you. Here is a documentation for the PHP. Let us see the documentation of the PHP. Here you supposed to choose the language. Our language is English, so we will choose the English over here. And now you will find all things from the language here, like what PHP is there, where it is introduced, and everything you will find out over here. So this is your PHP manual, and let me just click on the introduction. So if I will click on the introduction, and you will see here what is PHP, what PHP can do, and you can see all those things over here. What is PHP, and all help or all the documentation you will get it here from the this website. So just we open here what is PHP, and you can see here what is PHP, and everything about the PHP you will find here, and even the example, introductory example of the PHP is also available here. So this is the documentation which is available on the official website of the PHP. So you can just go here and you can find anything. So what PHP can do, let us go and check it. So PHP can be used for your server side scripting, PHP can be used for command line scripting, PHP can be used for writing desktop based application. So everything what is there in the language you will find here. All topics are included over here. So what do I need and everything. Now I am telling you these things, we are installing it already. So you can get all those things there. In the documentation part, you will get all the topics of the language, they are available over here. You can see here the features, functions, reference, all functions. Like PHP is having like around 700 plus built-in functions, so you will find all these function reference over here. So this is the documentation for the PHP, and this is the one of the resource you can see for the PHP, you can refer from here as well. So let's go back to our installation. Our installation is still going on, it will take like 1 or 2 minutes more. So this what is installing here. Here we are installing the XAMPP, and XAMPP you can see here it is Apache distribution, and it containing MySQL, the database we need. The database is available here, and the PHP, the programming language we need. Okay, and the web server. So this X is um, this AMP, Apache MySQL and PHP, that we will need it. And another bundles are as well there, like WAMP. WAMP is also there, but I prefer XAMPP. Here things run faster, and it is, you can say, the community is bigger, support is there. So I prefer the XAMPP for the PHP development environment. So our installation is almost about to finish. You can see here. So MySQL, PHP, and even Perl is also there. So our bundle for Apache, MySQL, and PHP is almost finished installation. 75% creating an installer. You can see here. And I think it's done. Okay, yes, it's done. It's complete environment is completely installed, and let us click on the finish button. So now it will open the XAMPP control panel. Here you have to see, you have to save a language. So we will save the default language. Okay, and now it will open this screen. It's called as the XAMPP control panel, guys. So here you can see here the Apache and MySQL. We have to start both of them. Apache we started here, and here we are supposed to start the MySQL. Now let us check our installation is successfully done or not. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to go to the browser and just open new tab, type here localhost and enter. Yes, our installation, if you see this screen, it means our installation is successfully done. We will check some more options from there. Let me click on PHP info, and now it is saying the PHP version which we have installed here. So it means our installation is successfully done. And some more things, let me show you over there. Here is a one more option called the PHP my admin. Let me just introduce you. I'm not going to tell you everything about this because we are just installing here and setting up the environment. So this screen or this PHP my admin is for where this place like will have all your databases, like whatever the database you are going to create, you are going to create a database from here, and you are going to see your all databases from this PHP my admin place. Now let us go back, and we have remaining with the installation of editor. Just right click on the setup of the Sublime text, and same process, run as administrator. Yes, then this will take just I think 1 minute to install it. It is very simple process. Yes, I wanted to install it on the same location, C colon, and install, finish. Okay guys, in this way what we have done here today, we have set up the environment for our PHP. So we have installed the XAMPP, and we have installed the our Sublime text editor, and also we have seen a little bit information about the php.net website. See you in the next video. Till the time, stay tuned with me for more videos. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.